Welcome. In this video, we will see the upcoming steps once the bundling has been completed. The next step is to enter the product details. Since India has diverse range of exporters, it is necessary to add the exporter end product details. So click on the plus icon and enter the product details. Example, gloves. Once the product details have been entered, click on Submit button. Now the product has been added successfully. You can view the product details by clicking on the eye icon. The next step is to create a dispatch receipt. Click on Dispatch Receipt and the plus icon. Enter the details like the product type, buyer name, buyer address, etc. Select the bundle from the drop-down and click on Add Bundle. Click on Save All. Dispatch receipt has been raised successfully. There is a provision to view the details as well. Thank you for watching the video.